How to backup projects to GoPro Cloud. First of all, open the app on your device. Next, make sure you are signed into your GoPro account. If you don't have one, you will need to create it to use the cloud backup feature. Once logged in, look for the cloud icon located at the top right corner of the home screen. To access the backup feature, you need to subscribe to the GoPro Cloud plan. The subscription unlocks automatic backup of your videos and projects to the cloud. After subscribing, tap the cloud icon to enable automatic backup. Your new videos and projects will upload to the cloud wherever your device is connected to Wi-Fi, keeping your files safe and accessible from anywhere. You can also manually upload specific projects or videos by selecting them in the Studio tab and tapping the cloud icon to back them up. Backing up your projects to GoPro Cloud helps protect your work from device loss or damage and lets you access your media across multiple devices anytime. Now you know how to back up your projects to GoPro Cloud with a subscription plan. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.